depends. It depends on a number of different things, but number one thing it's going to depend on is your budget. You and your budget. Given that you've got sufficient amount of money to buy sufficient amount of stock, then I'm just going to assume that you've got enough money for that. So then how much stock do you need? Well, if you're launching a product, I like to get 60 days supply of stock plus 15 days supply of product to give away for my launch. So that's my ratio: 60 days supply of stock and 15 days supply of stock to give away at a discount to rank my product properly on Amazon. So that's my particular ratio. And then how do you find that out? Well, depending on where you're selling, that will dictate to a degree how much stock you should get. So Amazon.com, lots and lots of people going there to buy because it's the biggest e-commerce platform in the world, in the Western world, versus Amazon in Australia, which is just kicking off, just getting traction. There's not obviously going to be as many people go shopping as there is on Amazon.com. For most people, it's somewhere around 200 to 300 units to do 75 days of stock, 200 to 300 units, and that gives you approximately 5 sales a day. So I don't know what yours would be, but that's a very good rule of thumb, 200 to 300 units, or your best guess as to what 75 days of stock would be. That's the 2 ways of doing that, Rach. There used to be a way you could find out for sure using something called the 999 hack, but that's too many people found out about that, and so that's kind of been closed off. Everybody's closed off the ability to add all somebody's products to their cart all at once. So that no longer really works now, which is unfortunate. So you have to kind of take an educated guess now based on the platform they're selling on and the number of sales you think you're making. You can go and look at eBay as well. So let's just take that search term, and you can go and look at eBay if you want to go into Australia, for instance. Take your number one keyword, let's suppose it that. And now you can see that the number one person selling that, click on the sold, and you can see now when they're making their sales and how many sales they're making. It can be indicative of what you potentially could sell as well, so you could get some ideas from there, but we don't have definitive data. So what you have to do is you have to take disparate data points like this, and then you have to kind of cobble them all together and then extrapolate out to a guesstimate, an educated guesstimate of what you would do. But that's kind of how, at least gives you some ideas of where to start. For most products though, in Australia, it's around that 200 to 300 mark, something like that. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.